Hi viewers, step into channel once again. Okay, so far we have gone through trigonometry 26 videos. Please, those who did not gone, watch it for best idea and knowledge. Now here trigonometry 27th video, 27th part. So let us go through a question, and this is an important and interesting problem. One of the, so sin 3 theta into cos cube theta plus cos 3 theta into sin cube theta, and the options are given. So this is the problem. If you observe the options carefully, it is a problem which is related to sin 4 theta. Okay, let us go through it now. So please be aware of this question: sin 3 theta into cos cube theta and cos 3 theta into sin cube theta. Okay, so here you should be very careful. So nothing but two terms are there here. In the first term, sin 3 theta, apply the formula here, sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta, and go through it. Let us see here. So nothing but 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is a formula for sin 3 theta. Just I have written. Next, into cos cube theta I have, plus, and this is for this I am writing here nothing but cos 3 theta. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta into sin cube theta. So in the place of sin 3 theta and cos theta I have written. Now multiply here with cos cube theta in the first term. So 3 sin theta into cos cube theta minus 4 sin cube theta into cos cube theta, plus again multiply the second term with sin 3 theta, just basic operations after substituting the formula. So 4 cos cube theta into sin cube theta minus 4 cos theta into sin cube theta. So multiplied with this one with this and this one with this. If you observe carefully, the terms sin cube theta, 4 sin cube theta, cos cube theta with opposite sign, so that we can eliminate. So the leftover part I am writing here, nothing but I can write here. So this is 3 here. So this is 3 because 3 into cos theta into sin cube theta. So leftover part is 3 sin theta into cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta into sin cube theta. So if you observe carefully, in the two terms I can take 3 as common and sin theta and cos theta as common. So be aware of it. Up to now what I have done is basic steps, nothing new here, just written the formula and substituted, half part completed. So now if you observe carefully, 3 sin theta into cos theta, if I take common, the leftover part is cos square theta from the first term, and from the second term sin square theta. So as we know that cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. So nothing but 3 sin theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta. Okay. So here, while going through this problem, please go through the options also. In the 3 to 4 steps you are going to get. So now to get this one, so if you observe carefully, sin theta into cos theta is there. So to get a formula I am multiplying and dividing. So 2 sin theta into cos theta. So multiplying dividing with 2 to get the form. This is in the form of, now here 2 sin theta cos theta, nothing but sin 2 theta. So multiply angle here I can write now 3 by 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. And here it is. Again to get the next step, still I did not got here. So nothing but again multiplying and dividing by 2 here to get the required one, 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. Again this is in the form of 2 sin x into cos x, nothing but cos 2x, here x is nothing but our 2 theta. So finally I can write here 3 by 4 into sin, I can write 4 t theta. So be aware of these steps. So last 3 to 4 steps are major here. So be aware of it, these steps and these steps. So if you observe carefully here from the given options, I can write the answer as now 3 by 4 sine 4 theta nothing but stands for our C option. And this is the formula I have been substituted, and for cos 3 theta I have been substituted, next multiplied, and this is the formula, and this is the main step here. To get the formula I have been multiplying and divided by 2, and sine 2 theta, and here it is cos 2 theta, again multiplied and divided with 2 here. Okay, so in this way one of the most interesting and important problem which is connected to sine 4 theta. So please viewers, once you have the total look, so nothing complication here, just you have to substitute, you have to consider the formula, go through the mathematical operations, and to get the result here in terms of sine 4 theta. So these 3 to 4 steps are important. Hope you like this video. Okay, see you in the next video session. Have a great day.